Meaning of exponential.
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 Exponential. Exponential refers to a mathematical function that involves a constant base raised to a variable exponent. The result of an exponential function is a rapidly increasing or decreasing value, depending on the value of the exponent and the base. This means that as the input increases, the output grows at an accelerating rate. Exponential growth or decay is often used to model phenomena such as population growth, compound interest, radioactive decay, and bacterial growth. The term exponential is also commonly used to describe any situation where something is increasing or decreasing at an increasingly fast rate over time.